Hi gardening friends, guess who got a Toro for Christmas? Me! Since it converts from blower to vacuum and shredder, there is some assembly required, and though there's no tools needed to convert, I'm not one to read directions, but I just got my hubby to do it since he's patient with reading and following directions. I had blown the leaves in my backyard toward my flowers for mulch, more on that later, so I didn't have any to pick up in my yard. I asked my neighbor if I could pick up her leaves, and of course she said yes. Keep watching because I'm going to give you a few tips about using it. It might look like I didn't pick up much, but with my neighbor's yard alone, I filled up a 96-gallon toter trash can, as it reduces the leaves by 88% with the metal impeller, and you can control the speeds with the nozzle.
Okay, so rule number one, when you're using this thing, don't wear white. If you saw earlier, my first time, I wore white. Oops, because this thing right here, it's gonna let out some dirt, so your clothes is gonna be filthy. So don't do that. That's why I'm wearing black today, because the first time I picked up my neighbor's leaves because I was using mine as mulch for my flower garden over here. But I live in El Paso, Texas, and we have like crazy high winds. So all of my leaves that were in my garden protecting it are now right here. Here, there they are, not protecting my flowers. And over here, just a hot mess because we had very strong winds the other day. Don't judge, everything's flown all over the place. It even opened up my that. Now it's dirty. There goes that protection. All right, so I'm gonna pick my leaves up and put them in my compost.
So this is only the second time I use this, and unfortunately I haven't used it as a blower yet, so I can't give you my review on that part of it. But so far I really love the vacuum and shredding aspect of it and the way you can carry the bag across your shoulder as you pick up the leaves. It's pretty comfortable. And it's easy to know when it's full because you'll feel it get significantly heavier. The bag has a zipper at the bottom, so it's pretty easy to unzip, dump, zip back up, and go. Like I mentioned previously, you can control the speed and suction control with the nozzle, and as you can see, it doesn't pick up any of my rocks. Okay guys, that's it. That's it for my leaf mulcher shredder. I like it. It's pretty cool. If you saw, I did it over the rocks and it doesn't really pick up the rocks. It'll pick up the leaves, and it doesn't pick up all the leaves because some of the leaves are stuck in between the rocks. So I'll go later and blow the leaves out, move them with my hands, and pick them up more thoroughly. Pick them up thoroughly, whatever. I'll pick them up in April or after April because April is like our strongest wind, so it's gonna become a mess every week. But I wanted to pick up the majority, and I did. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my gardening journey. I'm gonna be planting lots of vegetables, flowers. Learn with me, grow with me, help me, send me some tips. Thanks for watching. Here is the 96-gallon trash can I mentioned I filled up with my neighbor's leaves, but we had an extra bag left, so my husband used a hand tamper to shove the leaves further so we could fit this last bag in. I need leaves throughout the year to make compost, so I placed it near my compost bin for convenience. It's that green bin you see right behind the trash can. And now I'll have organic matter year-round and not just in fall. Again, thank you for watching, and thanks to my hubby for always helping me.